What's the deal? What's the deal, YouTube? What's up, citizens of the United States? I got some, excuse my voice, man. I'm a little under the weather right now. But today, we're going to do an unboxing on the Glock 22 Gen 3 California edition, unfortunately. So yeah, went to go purchase a firearm. I waited to 10 days, and I picked it up, I believe, on the like 11th or something of this month. So without further ado, I put a Jordan sticker on here. So without further ado, let's see what we got. So initially, it came with one mag, a speed loader, which I think was trash. Came with a lock that I used already, cleaning brush, and it came with a manual that I opened and looked at, and yeah, not too bad. Not too bad at all. And for the grand finale, see, it is clear in a safe direction in a controlled environment in my home. But yeah, so this is Glock 22. You feel me? This is it. Said I shot it before. I shot it the first day I got it, took it to the gun range. This thing is a little punchy, but nothing that I can't handle. I'm gonna throw the mag back in here. It is loaded, but you see, it's not cocked. Trigger is back, and you have to cock it to actually put it in fire or whatever. So it came with a cleaning rod too. And yeah, so this gun actually is gonna be for security. This or either a Glock 17. I'm gonna get a 17. And depending on the caliber requirements, this that I'll be using for security. This is my first Glock purchase, and I'm happy with the results. I think I would have. So the first time I was trying to go get the firearm, well, actually the second time, I was getting a Glock 17, and it had the tritium sights. It was pretty cool. And I got not denied, but I was, what do you call it? I was undetermined. So I jumped through some hoops to try to fix the problem. So here coming now, you know, we purchased a firearm, finally got to take it home. And it's pretty cool. I mean, like I said, it's a Glock 22, chambered in 40. And yeah. I said I like it. And a 40 for your first gun is crazy. I need to clean it now, man. It's really dirty. But, I mean, I did clean it when I got back from the shooting range, but it's just been sitting now, so probably clean it again tonight. But, yeah, this is my Glock 22, chambered in 40, Smith & Wesson. First Glock purchase. And, yeah, what y'all think? Let me know what y'all think. And like, comment, subscribe. And, I think my next purchase, I'm gonna go ahead and get the Glock 17. After that purchase, go down in the comments, let me know what gun should I get that's California legal and approved that I can get over here in California. I was looking at the PS daggers. I think they are some cool looking guns, but I think the price point's a little high. It's like by the time you get it, you're gonna be paying about $1,000 for it. So yeah, let me know what my third purchase would be, because my second purchase is gonna be a Glock 17. And let me know what I should get after that, y'all. So like, comment, subscribe, share. Once again, I'm SQF Bomb. This is my new gun channel. And I can't wait to interact with y'all. So holla at your boy. Deuces.